Continuing in our series of edible herbs that we grow in our garden or that just grow themselves in our garden, today we're looking at Om Saap Pa, or Chinese violet in English, and this is a powerhouse of beneficial nutrients. People around here usually spend money to poison this plant. Instead, we are picking it and adding it to salads and to stir fries and to curries and soups. It is really nutritious and quite delicious as well.
This is I call Om Saap Pa. I really enjoy this one because this is can help me about high blood pressure down. Then when I use just the top leaf like that, and then do smoothie with another fruit. And then sometimes when I use this one, put at the curry or some soup, and then can help to have good taste. Look like we use MSG, but this is much more healthy.
This is known as a cooling herb. It's good if you've got internal inflammation. It's good on a hot day. It's also good for reducing your blood pressure. Unlike pharmaceutical or commercially based nutrients and dietary supplements, it'll take a bit longer to just build it into your system and let it become a natural part of your diet. Not like adding these other extra supplements that you can easily buy online that are going to provide a huge boost to your system. Eating from your garden a little bit every day is a much more natural way of enjoying the benefits of the good nutrients that are really hidden in these weeds. And one thing that we really enjoy is when our online viewers come to visit. And if you're interested to learn more about what we eat and how we grow it, or how it just grows wild, come and check us out here at Suan Homestay in the province of Chiang Mai in northern Thailand. Yeah, we find it so easy these days to be looking at our screens and learning what we can from something that's based on a server on the other side of the world, from somebody that's maybe never been here. Or we can walk in our garden, we can talk to our neighbours, we can go to a local seminar with people that are focused on really building the knowledge base that's been held by ancestors and in this modern age is not being passed down so regularly by family members, but there are people about that are sharing this knowledge and keeping it alive, and we're hoping to do a little bit of that with these videos as well. And if you are finding that your eyes are straining because you're looking at your screens too much, this plant is going to help you because it's got properties in it that are really good. I think vitamin A, which is fabulous for your eyesight. And it's also high in iron. And for people who are experiencing hot flushes at a particular time in their life, then it can also help to regulate these as well. And yeah, it's a really easy one to find. It's pretty recognizable. You can take a walk in any Thai neighborhood and you will find this. As I said, people spend good money to try and eradicate this. We've decided to do things differently and make good use of it in our diet. And if you're not living in northern Thailand, if you're not in the tropics, there are fabulous other resources online that will give you great information about the types of herbs that you can forage that you might previously have considered as weeds. Eattheweeds.com is a fabulous resource. You can look them up. They've got a huge number of videos and a great amount of information on their website. To help you identify the plants, you can simply use your phone, take a photograph, upload it, and get a positive identification once you're able to share the leaf, and particularly if you can share the flower as well. If you're interested to learn more about this and what we do here at Suan Homestay, you can check out this video next. Thanks very much for watching.